Search engine optimization. Are you tired of pouring money into Facebook and Google ads just to watch them fizzle out? What if I told you there's a way to get a steady stream of high-quality customers coming to your website, for free, 24/7, even while you're asleep? And no, that's not a fairy tale. It's the power of a simple SEO framework I'm about to walk you through, step by step. Forget everything you think you know about SEO. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step the best SEO strategies. Strategies that can provide free traffic to your website or blog. We're going to cut through the noise and give you the actionable cheat code to build a traffic machine that actually lasts. Let's be real, relying completely on paid ads feels like you're stuck on a hamster wheel. The second you stop paying, your traffic dries up. You don't really own a business, you've just got a very expensive subscription to Google's and Meta's profits. Meanwhile, the costs keep climbing and the competition gets tougher, leaving you staring at spreadsheets and wondering where the money went. That's what I call renting your traffic. You're just paying for temporary visitors. It's great for a quick boost, like a product launch, but it's no way to grow a business long term. It's like building your dream house on rented land. Now picture this instead, an asset that grows more valuable over time, pulling in customers who are already searching for what you sell. Imagine your website becoming a magnet for qualified leads, day and night, without you paying for every single click. That's the power of effective SEO. It's all possible if you follow the cheat code I'm going to explain to you in just a minute. It's way more cost-effective because once you rank, those clicks are free, building a foundation for growth that actually lasts. So, what's this cheat code? It's a simple 5-step framework that gets back to the fundamentals that really move the needle. Forget about chasing algorithm updates or trying to game the system. Even with AI changing the search landscape, the core principles haven't changed. Google, and the AI assistants that learn from it, still want to show users helpful, authoritative content. The pages that rank well are often the same ones AI pulls from to answer questions. This framework is designed to make you that trusted source. Here are the 5 pillars. 1. The foundation, getting your site ready for Google to read and understand it. 2. The goldmine, finding the exact words your customers are typing into search. 3. The magnet, creating content that both people and search engines will love. 4. The trust signal, building real authority and credibility online. 5. The flywheel, monitoring your results and compounding that success over time. There you have it. A step-by-step cheat code. We're going to break down each one, right now. Step 1. The foundation. Technical SEO basics. Before we do anything else, we need to make sure Google can actually find and understand your website. Let's talk tech, but don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. First, you need 2 free tools from Google, Google Search Console and Google Analytics. Search Console is your direct hotline to Google. It tells you how your site is doing, flags any errors, and shows you which pages Google has indexed. Setting it up is as simple as creating an account and proving you own your site. Second, you need an XML sitemap. Think of it as a roadmap of your website that you hand directly to Google's crawlers. Most website builders like WordPress or Shopify will generate one for you automatically. Once you have that link, you submit it through Google Search Console. This helps Google find all your important pages much faster. Finally, make sure your site is mobile-friendly and loads fast. While Google's mobile-first approach is part of a broader evaluation of user experience, the performance of your mobile site is a critical, non-negotiable ranking factor. If your site is slow or clunky on a phone, your rankings will suffer everywhere. You can use Google's Page Speed Insights tool to check your site's speed and get a to-do list for improvements. Step 2. The goldmine. Keyword research for beginners. This is the heart of great SEO. It's not about guessing what people are searching for, it's about knowing. The biggest mistake I see beginners make is trying to rank for huge competitive keywords. The secret is to focus on long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases, usually 3 words or more. For example, instead of a broad term like headphones, you'd target a long-tail phrase like best wireless earbuds for running under $100. Why? Because these longer phrases have way less competition and attract people who are much closer to buying. Someone typing that super specific phrase knows what they want. You can find these gems for free using tools like Google's Keyword Planner, or just by looking at the People Also Ask box and autocomplete suggestions in Google. Those are real questions from real people. Your goal is to find 5 to 10 relevant long-tail keywords for each important page on your site. Group them together based on what the searcher is trying to accomplish. We call this search intent. Step 3. The magnet. On-page SEO and content creation. You've got your keywords. Now it's time to create the magnet that pulls people in, your content. On-page SEO is how you optimize your pages to tell Google exactly what they're about. Here are the key elements to get right on every page. Title, tag. This is your headline in the Google search results. Keep it under 60 characters and make sure it includes your main keyword. A great title makes people want to click. Meta description. This is the little summary under the title. It doesn't directly affect your ranking, but a killer description will convince more people to click on your result. Headings. Use your main keyword in your main on-page headline, and related keywords in your subheadings. This gives your content structure, which is great for readers and for Google. The content itself. This is the most important part. Your content has to be genuinely helpful, high quality, and trustworthy. Write for a human, not a robot. Answer the searcher's question better than anyone else. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and images to make it easy to digest, and sprinkle your keywords in naturally where they make sense. Remember Google's EEAT principle: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. The best way to nail this is to write from your own experience, show proof of your claims, and create content that truly solves a problem for your reader. By the way, if you're finding this valuable, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel and tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. Step 4. The trust signal. Simple off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is all about actions taken outside your website that builds its reputation. The biggest trust signal is backlinks, which are just links from other websites to yours. Google sees these as votes of confidence. Link building can sound intimidating, but you can start simple. Here are 2 beginner-friendly ways to earn your first backlinks. 1. Local directories. If you're a local business, getting listed on sites like Yelp, Google Business Profile, and other industry directories is a must. Just make sure your name, address, and phone number are exactly the same everywhere. 1. Guest posting. Find another website in your niche and offer to write a helpful article for their audience. In return, you'll almost always get a link back to your site in your author bio. This builds a great link and gets your name in front of a whole new audience. The goal here is quality over quantity. A handful of links from relevant, trusted websites is worth more than hundreds of spammy ones. Step 5. The flywheel. Monitor and compound your success. SEO isn't a set-it-and-forget-it thing. It's a flywheel. It takes a big push to get it going, but once it starts spinning, it builds momentum and gets easier to maintain. Be patient. It often takes a few months to see significant results, though this can vary a lot depending on your industry and competition. Some businesses see early progress in 6 weeks, while more competitive niches can take up to 8 months. Use Google Search Console and Google Analytics to track your progress. Once a month, just check in, see which keywords you're starting to rank for and which pages are bringing in the most traffic. If you see a page's rankings start to slip, maybe it's time to refresh the content. If another page is doing really well, create more articles on related subtopics to build out your authority. SEO is all about continuous improvement, but once you have a good foundation, it gets a bit easier. By reviewing your data and making small tweaks, you'll compound your success and build that traffic engine for the long haul. This 5-step framework is your cheat code to stop renting traffic and finally start owning it. It's the path to generating free, high-quality traffic pretty much forever. And if you want to master your digital marketing with more guides just like this one, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a thing. So that's the cheat code. First, you build a solid foundation with some simple tech tune-ups. Second, you find your goldmine of long-tail keywords that real customers are using. Third, you build your traffic magnet with high-quality content and smart on-page SEO. Fourth, you build trust signals with quality backlinks. And finally, you get that flywheel spinning by monitoring your data and building on your wins. This isn't about finding loopholes or trying to trick Google. It's about doing the simple things right, over and over again. It's about building a real sustainable asset for your business that will pay you back for years to come. Stop lighting your budget on fire with ads that disappear. Start investing in the system that brings customers to your door 24/7 for free. You have the framework. Now go put it into action. Thanks for watching.